How's it going, guys, and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today we are back doing a FIFA video, and basically it's the end of FIFA 16, okay? And what better way to end it all off by selling everything in my club, basically, and doing a big ass pack opening. So I've got a really blocked nose at the moment. So yeah, basically I've got 571,000 coins in the bank. I sold this team. Just look at this team. Yeah, I sold that team. That team was absolutely insane. But, you know, it's the end. Nobody's going to play it after FIFA 17's out. I mean, I'm not going to play it. So, yeah, we're just going to jump into these packs to see how good they really are. Are there any promo packs? Oh, there are. Screw it. We're going to do these rare gold packs, okay? All rare. Here we go. With the first pack. Actually, no, I'm just going to open one of these. I'm going to do a long video. Here we go. Really? He looks like an old man. Right. That isn't a good start. Oh, that's a good start. In fact, you know, I'll apply that. Make active badge. There we go. Right. I'm going to send the stuff that I get that's decent to the transfer list, and then we'll look at the end to see what we have. Right, we're just on to normal packs here, because I'd like to open a lot. So here we go. What? Oh my god. Who is she? That is a woman. That... Whoops. That is a woman. That Bruno Alves, no way. Well, that is a terrible pack. That's going on the transfer list. Right, we're going to do some pack superstitions as well, okay? So, not on this one, on the next one. Hello? Oh, you trolling bastards. I thought that could have been Robin. Okay, so superstition 1. We're going to go with the foot pack. Right. Up. Right. If that don't get me anything good, I'm going to rage. Veltman, are you... Oh my god. What is that hair? Jesus Christ, these... Bloody hell, he looks about 8. Let's do it. Give it to me now! Oh, not even De Gea. I got Aiden, Adan, Origi. Ugh. Give me the good players. Skip. Areola. Oh look, he was in my Stoichkov. Costa is a beast. Rat. There's an actual name. That is the name Rat, isn't it? Oh, it's Rat with a whatever. Right, we're going to do a spinny chair pack. This better get someone good. Mozzarella. Oh, Jesus. Bollocks. Now that... Oh, we got... They trolled me again. We got Larson. Not Henrik. Bloody whoever. Come on. Decent. Oh, Rui Patricio. Thank you. Wellens. How old is he? He's 36. He looks it. Oh my god. He looks like a convict. Look at that face. Right. Let's do a discard pack. So I think the pack is opening now. Players showed up. Spadoosh, it's gone. Skippity, skip. Whoa! There we go, our first decent player. And it's come... How much did I have? 571? I don't know. But that's our first decent player. So send him to the transfer list. And let's move on. So guys, we're about 100k down right now, and Douglas Costa is the best I've had. And Douglas Costa is still the best I have. Davies. Decent. Oh. Oh, God. You know, I'd really fancy a nice brew now. Come on. Boom! Oh, you trolling tits! I thought that was Aguero. Oh, we got Danny Ings. When did he have so much pace? I swear he was really old. Let's do another discard pack, why not? Skip. Gone. No idea who they are. I'm not going to see it until I'm editing. Come on, they've got a new legend team of the week out, and I'm getting jack crap. Look! Boateng. Who does he play for? Rubinho. He just wants to be a wannabe Rubinho. Do you remember him back on like FIFA 12 and FIFA 13? He was insane. Come on, please, for the love of God. Wesley Snipes. Oh, and Insigne. They're decent. They can get sent. Bloody hell, it's Malfoy. Next to you, I'm in that. Come on, boom. Zaha. Now the troll Naldo. Right. Not liking this. We are about 200k down, and I've got... honestly, I've got nothing. And I'm still getting nothing. Right, we're going to do a nose pack. Right. The nose pack always works. You're going to see a black or a white card in here. Yep. Yep, thanks. Thank you. Oh, jeez, come on. No. No, we got the woman! This is shocking. This is really, really bad. For God's sake, what? He looks like a stoner. You can imagine him sitting in a dark alley with a spliff. Just sitting there. Can't you? Or is it just me? Right, bollocks, we're moving to the rare packs. These are shocking. Here we go. It's going to be good, I tell you. It's going to be insane. Right, so they trolled me again. I thought that might have been Neuer, but no. Pack number 2. 3, 2, 1, Shazam! 85 rated. But he goes for nothing. I'm going to discard one of these. Yeah, there's nothing in it. Right. Up. It is gone. Come on, please. Check. Okay, that's our best pull, actually, so far. That's our best pull. Onwards and upwards from now, isn't it? Right, we're going to do the ear pack. The ear lobe. There we go, see? It's going to give us something good now. Earlobes are actually lucky. Earlobes ain't lucky in my case. I have no... Oh my God. Carcimer Skaz. I have the worst pack luck ever. I'll be fine doing discard challenges. So I get nothing in them anyway. Matic. I ain't even going to put you on the list. I'm just going to watch this. I'm going to discard it anyway. Ooh! Julio Cesar. He would have... Okay. We got the inform. But he's going to go for discard value. Yep. So you're staying in there. Oh, what is that? Oh my God. You are too generous, EA. You give me a free contract pack. No. Discard. Oh, I have to redeem it, really? So we're coming to the end of this pack opening, guys. It's been fun, hasn't it? Who are we going to get? Oh, Jesus Christ. No, 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 no. Second to last pack. Will it give us good luck, being the second to last? Tom, this is for you. Whoever he was. Right, we're just going to open these because I can't afford one because I'm 500 coins off the next one. So, Harry Kane is going to give me nothing. DeSanctis. D-flipping Sanctis. Sanctis my arse. Second to last pack now. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Flipping Spider Head. Triangle Head. So guys, here's the final pack, and this just has been a waste of time. My time, your time, EA's time, because they're giving me nothing. So, these are all the players that I got from that big pack opening. 570k or however much it was, and I got 5 players worth talking about, and the rest is fitness. EA, why? Really? Motorbike? EA, why do this? Here we go, guys. It's the end. Cue sad music. So there we are, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry that I didn't get anyone good, anyone worth talking about. I might have done in the discard packs, but they're discarded. So I won't see until I'm editing. But yeah, I really hope you kind of enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't very active, but I'm going to shut up now. Okay? So, give it a big thumbs up for me, please. That would be greatly appreciated. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will see you all in the next video. See you later, guys.